Hello, friends, and welcome back to Flavors on My Dastakwan. Today, I will be sharing with you a recipe of Chana Dal. This is a very simple recipe, one pot recipe. It's quick and easy, and especially for busy people and working people, working girls who don't have really time to go into elaborate. So for this, I'm taking 2 cups of chana dal in a pressure cooker. I did not have to soak this, but if you're using a pot to make this, then you might have to soak it for at least 2 hours before you cook it. I'm going to add in all the spices in this, like half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. This is ground black pepper, a half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 box of chicken stock, which has 2 cubes in it. Now, this is a low sodium chicken stock, so you have to be careful about your salt because if you're using a chicken stock which is not low in sodium, then it might become oversalted. So just be careful with your salt and do check on your salt. Salt and red chili is always as per your taste, how much spice you can handle and how much salted you want your dish to be. Now with this, I'm adding a 1/8 teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can add up to a quarter and not more than that. I'm adding water to this. I'm taking boiling water just to hasten the process of cooking, and I'm just going to let it cook in the pressure cooker. I mean, it's that simple. Just put your dal and the spices and water in the pressure cooker and just cook it. And at the end, you will just temper it. So this is really easy, and believe me, this is really delicious. Now, I am adding quarter teaspoon of mustard oil. This is just an optional step. I'm adding this only to prevent the dal from spilling from the pressure. You know, it sometimes happens that when you uh, your your dish starts to cook in the pressure cooker and it starts whistling, it all spills out. The water spills out. So this oil like forms a layer on top of it, which prevents it from spilling. Now, while my dal is cooking, I'm just slicing on these onions to go for the tempering. Now, you see, like I told you, my pressure cooker is not spilling out anything. It's the dal, it's the oil that has helped. Uh, and this is again the preparation of garnish. I'm just chopping up a few green chilies as per your taste and your liking. There's no set number. And a few sprigs of coriander leaves. All these, I'm just making it ready while my dal is cooking. Slice it, roughly chop it, coriander leaves. I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of ghee in a frying pan, and I'm going to fry my onions until it is golden, so it and crispy, because that adds a wonderful flavor. You really cannot miss this. You can't compromise. Ghee, of course, is optional. You can also temper in oil, but ghee adds a very good flavor, and ghee in dal is like amazing. So I'm just frying my onions, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to this at this stage so that it does not burn. Now, you can actually add any tempering can be. You can even add red chili flakes to this, or curry leaves to this, or whatever you want to add, even garlic. But I just prefer this basic thing. Now my dal is done. As you can see, I'm just going to stir it a little to just even out anything, and just to get it together. And I'm just going to see. I'm just going to temper my dal. It's absolutely delicious. It is. You see, it's really simple. It's the simplest dal that you can make. It is simple and it's super delicious, quick and easy. I mean, it's what else do you need when you're working or when you're when you are really busy and you need a quick meal, quick healthy meal that everybody can enjoy. Chana dal by itself is absolutely delicious. Anything that goes that you cook with chana dal, like chane ka halwa or chana dal gosht, or anything that you cook with it, it tastes amazing. You also use chana dal in shami kebabs, which makes it so delicious. So I mean, chana dal by itself is a wonderful, is a delicious lentil. So you make it like this. It doesn't really need a lot of things to enhance its flavor. It has a wonderful flavor of its own. And finally, just garnished with coriander and green chilies, and this amazing dal is ready. And please, I hope you will try this recipe. Let me know how it turned, and I hope that it turns out really good for you. And I hope it makes a permanent place in your cooking routine. Thanks for watching. Uh, Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.